Hi mga kachupa! Nagbabalik na naman ang inyong Lini in Wisconsin. May mga pagano-ganon na yun, no? So, ang today's vlog is aayusin ng aking asawa ang dati naming kama. I-makeover niya ang kama naman namin ngayon. Kasi may nakita kami sa labas ng headboard ng ng kama. So, ito po. Ayan. Medyo mataas. Ito, tatanggalin niya kasi yung yung nakita niyo yung sobrang kahoy na yan, tatanggalin niya para hindi naman masakit. Kasi, may bakal doon. So, minsan, ayan na yung bakal niya sa dulo. Minsan, pag matatalisod ka ba rito, ayan mo, yung yung ganyan mo. Eh, masakit yan, di ba? So, i-redo it niya. Yung aming kapitbahay kasi, nagtapon ng mga dating gamit. So, nakita namin yung kapitbahay namin na merong headboard doon na maganda naman. Maganda yung headboard. Maayos. So, kinuha namin. So, kasi yung kama namin walang headboard. So, pwede pala siyang lagyan. Ganun pala yun. Akala ko hindi ganun. Kasi never ako nagkaroon ng ganito eh. Never ako nagkaroon ng kamang ganyan. Kasi dati banig-banig lang eh. Ngayon kama na rin. So, thank God. Sabi ng arte mo naman. Ang arte mo naman. Check out. Kamanood ng video ko. So, buti na lang, andyan ang asawa ko. Aayusin namin. So, tutulungan ko muna yung aking asawa na ayusin. Kasi kanina nag-uulan-ulan. So, ngayon medyo mista. Buti na lang yung garage namin, medyo malaki. Doon siya mag-aayos. So, tutulungan ko siya ayusin ang kama namin para masarap ang tulog, di ba? Kasi dito sa Amerika, importante ang tulog. Maya na ako maghuhugas kasi tulungan muna kita. Vlog muna kita. You can remove? Are you sure that
Yeah, I measured it off of this. This should be pretty accurate.
Look. Oh, see?
You know what? Let's do that then. So you make sure it's all the way.
Yeah. Let's do it again. Where's the pen though?
Let's put it back.
There you go. Put it to this one.
Can you go back and go get the black marker?
Where?
It's in there on your cup. Okay. So I know.
Oh, this This? What is?
This one down here. Well, this up here.
Hello.
Don't worry, even if it's off by a little bit, it's not going to be that big of a deal.
Not too bad.
So, ito na po guys. Dito kami sa garahe. So, ito ang aming nakuhang furniture sa labas ng aming kapitbahay. Diba? Ang ganda pa. Diba? Maayos pa oh. Ito pa. Ayan pa. Oh, diba? Maayos-ayos pa yung nilinis ng asawa ko kahapon. So, ayan. Malinis. Diba? Ang ganda. So, ngayon, naayusin namin to. Ay, oh my gosh. malaki. Malaki siya, hindi siya kasya dun sa aming kama. Paano gagawin dyan? Ang laki niya. Ano yun? Pwede kaya yun? Kasi ganito pagbukas niya, no? Dapat ilalagay ito sa gitna. Malaki. Ay, big? Look, it's very big. Look, oh.
I'll make the adjustments, don't worry.
How are you gonna adjust? I don't know how to adjust.
Let me see. All you need is this down here to match me back. Okay, so it's here. Yeah, this is probably a queen size one.
Yeah.
So, I'll see if it fits after I cut it. I'll try to see if I can make some adjustments on it. It's probably dry now, so.
So, hindi na lang ito. Maganda na, mga ayos pa man.
You want to clean the car?
It's raining. Maybe next time. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, you could do it another time.
Ika-carwash ko sana yung sasakyan. Kaya lang nag-uulan. So, tinamad ako bigla. So, hindi ko alam kung paano a-adjust niya to. May adjustan ba yan? May adjustan yan. Paliliitin ba yan? Hindi naman naliliit yan. Buti sana bakal to eh. Na-adjust eh. Na-expand. Pero kahoy to eh. So, hindi ko alam. Baby, how are you gonna how are you gonna do that?
What?
That headboard. How are you gonna adjust?
Don't worry. I'll look at it.
Ganda, no? Pang mayaman.
If it fits, I'll put it in there. If it doesn't fit, and I guess it doesn't fit. We're just not that lucky.
Maybe can you make me shelves too for my plants outside?
Here's your shelf.
Because you have another wood there, oh. It's...
There's only 3. That's probably not even enough.
Yeah.
If we find a shelf.
Nakatakot.
Hold that in so I can pull it out. Use your hand. We might be able to make it work.
Yeah. Is fit?
No, this one doesn't fit.
Yan. Wala pa akong ginagawa pero parang tinatamad talaga ako kasi yung weather, ang sarap matulog. Totoo lang. Pagka gantong kakatapos lang umulan, binuksan na naman yung AC. Lamig-lamig na, binuksan pa rin yung AC. So, ang aking asawa, buti na lang masipag ang aking asawa. Pagka may sira yung bahay, ginagawa agad. Kasi pagka hindi ginawa agad, naisira yung mga bagay-bagay or may mga maa-aksidente, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Tulad nung sinabi ko sa kanya nakaraan. Kasi nabangga ko ngayong ano ng kama. So, ang sakit ng paa ko noon. Parang talisod ba? So, pagka hindi ko pa nakita yun, tapos na ano pa, baka mamaya, ano nang mangyari, di ba? Although marami naman akong peklat, hindi naman ako natatakot na nagkaroon ng peklat. Kasi, dami kong peklat eh. Kaya lang, ang inaano ko, baka mamaya may ma-aksidente, mabutas yung parang ano mo yun. Siyempre, hindi mo rin nasasabi eh. Pagka na-aksidente ka, absent ka sa trabaho, parang gastos din, di ba? So, maganda, gawin na habang wala pa siyang, hindi pa siya busy. So, buti na lang talaga nakita namin to sa kapitbahay namin kahapon. Kasi nga, umalis yata kami kahapon. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami nagpunta. Nakalimutan. Naglaba pala kami kahapon. Nakita ko sa kapitbahay namin, nagtatapon ng mga gamit. ganito lagi sa Amerika daw. Kaya maganda nga rito eh, na nakakatuwa. Pagka ayaw na nila yung gamit, nilalagay lang sa labas ng bahay. May kukuha na yan. Ganun yun, mga ano dito. Pero sa Philippines yata, hindi ganun kasi, diba marami, sa atin, pagka marami tayong gamit, binibigyan natin sa mga kamag-anakan natin. Pero dito hindi sila ganun. Binibigay nila sa labas. Kung mga pag-ayaw nila, ganyan. Kasi dito ewan ko, sa mga kapatid ni Paper, kasi may mga kapatid naman siya rito. Kaya lang, yung mga kapatid niya, may mga gamit din. Kumpleto rin sila sa gamit. Kaya hindi na nila kailangan. Siguro kami lang ang hindi kumpleto sa gamit. Kasi yung asawa ko, hindi naman pala bili ng mga gamit yung mga yan. Kaya syempre, lalaki, di ba? Eh, yung mga kapatid niya, may mga asawa na rin. So, siya, kakaasawa lang ulit. Kasi, di ba nga ako pinangasawa. So, ayan. Kaya papawisan kasi siya, kaya naglalagay siya ng sa ulo. Para yung pawis ba, hindi mapunta sa mata niya. So, ganyan lagi siya. Ganyan ang ginagawa niya pagka wala siyang ginagawa. Hahanap siya ng mga kailangan gawin sa bahay para ayusin. Parang ako nga, kaya minsan lang, siyempre may pagkatamad din naman tayo, di ba? Naiintindihan naman natin. So, ganun naman talaga yung tao. Ah, baby! Laglag yung bike ko. Laglo. Baby, baka masira.
It's okay.
Okay lang. Bibili ka naman ulit ng bago. Hindi na takot masira, kasi siya bumili. Babawasan nga namin. Kung hindi namin babawasan yung kahoy, tapos yung kama medyo malaki, kasya naman itong kahoy. Kaya lang babawasan namin kasi nga yung accident, malaki ang ng accident. Kung sana naiintindihan nyo, nagigets na ba yung ina-explain ko? Kasi itong malaki nga, ito pang queen size, ang aming, baby, what is our size of the bed?
It's a full size.
Full size lang, aming pandalawahan lang talaga. Ang queen, pwede pang 3 to eh. So, medyo malaki nga. Kaya lang, di naman alam kung paano maayusin to. I-adjust mo. Nakita niyo? Hindi makita yung medyo malaki yung hindi siya kasya dun sa butas. So, di ko alam kung paano gagawin na ito dito.
What? It's not number 11?
Ano na siya, guys? Kaya lang, papatungan na lang namin siya ng kahoy dito sa ilalim. No, hindi kasi siya magkaiba ng So, alam mo naman kami, DIY lang. Mahilig sa DIY. Oh, ayan.
Perfect.
Put this one, Me. Put this one,
I don't need this anymore. I put this there so that it doesn't wreck the wall.
No. You don't need this one anymore, so you can put it here.
Oh, you mean put it in here? We could.
So it's not moving.
Yeah. Just to fill up the space in there. It'll work. Kind of work.
So if we bam, it's not moving. Bam. Ito naman. Yan pa ang dami pa This wood, put it here so it's matchy. Size.
Let's test it.
See, it's not much. Buti na lang, binigyan ka ng mautak na asawa. Sabi mo, matalino ka, girl. Hindi naman matalino. Lang. May isip lang. Ganun, no? So, siguro, kaya rin pala, Diyos, gumawa ng ng isang babae at lalaki para magtulungan. Diba? Buti na lang, binigyan ka ng asawa may isip. Kasi siguro ito lang siya lang gagawa dyan. Naku nga, tagal. Tapos ano, hindi niya alam gagawin niya. Ito lang. You need help?
You know what you could do? You can mark all the woods for me. You can mark it for me while I cut it. So take this one, just turn it this way. This, take this, make sure it's aligned evenly like that. And just mark it.
Okay. Got it. Bilis naman ako kausap.
No, turn it this way so that way it's new, so I know. Okay?
I already had the market.
Well, which one's your model? Which one's the model? Use the new side, don't use the old side. Make sure it matches. Like that, so I don't accidentally make any mistakes. Okay? Don't make yourself dead.
Huh?
Don't make yourself dead.
What?
Don't make yourself dead.
Pencil is not good.
And let me see, are you using the right side of the marker? This side?
Yeah, it's almost gone.
Okay. Not even need that one.
We need it.
No.
Because it's going to be bang, 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 bang.
No, look, this is the stuff they're really. They have a little gap in there, but
I'll tell you, it's going to be loud. Bang, bang, bang. And then everybody's there. What's that? What's that? In the middle of the night.
okay.
What's
You can
that?
find something to put in here.
Why you don't put here? Why you don't put here?
Huh?
Yeah.
But what?
Wood.
Because you can't.
See?
Well, you need something to go in here too then.
We need to cut this because that's the one much.
Well, if you do that, it's going to be bang, bang, bang. Because, you see this here? That's right up here. See that? That's why I want to do that. So that way it's more stable. I don't want this one. We're going to cut that one. I'll use this one. And if it's still too noisy, then I'll make some adjustments. Hold it.
See, it's not moving anymore. We need that one. Ayan na po ang aming bed. Diba? Maayos na.
This is the first one and the last one. We'll keep this one separated.
Open the light, please. Thank you.
Okay, you'll get the nuts and washers. You know what, gang? You guys go get the wood.
Where?
Yeah, it's raining.
Where's the wood? Where's the garage?
Please, you and Danny go get the woods. Put it down on the ground. I'm gonna clean this up first. Yeah, you and Danny go get the woods. It's raining. You like it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go shower first.
Okay.
We'll clean the garage on another time. Or unless if you want to clean it now, you can.
I'm gonna clean it.
Okay, I'll leave it open there. When you're done, then you can close it.
Rest.
I'm gonna go take a shower.
Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna turn your video off. I'm gonna close the door, then I'll go for shower.
Hold on. What's wrong?
Whatever you like, baby. That's good.
Baby, my video is not off yet.
Did you get me in there? That's okay. That's good, B. It's perfect. I cleaned it yesterday too, so it's so nice.
You can take a shower now. Tapos na namin ang aming bed. Ang sarap naman ng tulog namin mamaya. Medyo maulan-ulan po naman. Masarap mag-anuhan, no? So, thank you guys for watching this video and don't forget to like and share and subscribe. No? Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nanonood. Enjoy and God bless.